Dear friends, I'll be exploring the war games on the Overthewire provided by this website. Of course, everyone can access. I think the just mentioned in the other videos, if you follow along my channel, the best way to learn is hands-on practice or making our hands dirty. And I'd like to start from the Bandit, and we'll go through all different games provided by the Overthewire. So now, without further ado, let's just go into the Bandit, which is absolute beginner level. So now we go to the level 0. This level is for you to be familiar with this game. And this is target and the port number, username, and the password. Maybe if you are very absolute beginner, before you go into the real game, you will encounter the problem of this one. This port number is not default or standard SSH port number. So how to specify this port number to connect to? Of course, you can use the Google to make a search. However, for a pen tester, we need to fully utilize the main function or the help function, right? We can use the main and SSH. And as we scroll down to the almost bottom, and you can see the option of the -P, which allow you to specify the port number to connect to. Okay, so now we just SSH, and I'd like to autocomplete, and the password for the level 0 is Bandit 0. Bandit 0. We successfully log in, which we completed the first level, and now we can go to the jump into the level 1. The password for the next level is stored in a file called readme. Of course, this level would be very, very easy. First, we can use ls command to list all the files on the home directory, and we can use a cat command to retrieve the content of this file, which is a password for the next level. We can make a copy and exit from current user, and now we can connect to the level 1 user. The connection reset by peer. Maybe I've already done a lot to the target, and this is blocked by the firewall on the target. We just run the command again. Now we can paste the password we got from the last level, and now we can go back to the Overthewire to get the instruction for the next level. The password for the next level is stored in a file called dash, and as the last one, we can use ls command to list all files and directories for this home directory. And this one is our target file. I think the speciality for this one is the file name is dash. For the shell interpreter, always interpret the dash as option or argument. Of course, in this case, we do not want shell interpreter to understand this way. So how to escape from the shell interpreter we just use the cat and the dot, which means the current directory, and then this will escape the wrong understanding by the shell interpreter. Now we just press enter. Now we get the password for the next level, and now we can exit from current user and jump to the level 2. Press enter and paste the password. Now we need to go back to the over the wire to get the instruction for the next level. Yeah, the password for the next level is stored in file called this one. So now of course, we do not need to change any directory. And I think this is the target file. And the speciality for this file is the 2 spaces between different words. But the way to cat or to read is very, very simple. We just use the cat and the space. And we use the tab command to help us to autocomplete this file name. Okay? Of course, you can use the backslash to escape or to include the space. But I think the simple way is to use the tab. And now we get the password for the next level. And we can make a copy and exit from the current user. Now we can get to the next level. And we can paste the password here. Okay, successfully log in. Now we go back to the over the wire to look at the instruction. The password for the next level is stored in hidden file, which is also very simple, right? So we can use the list file. And in here directory, and how to navigate across different directory, we just use the CD, which means change directory, and use in here. Of course, we also can get the help of the tab keyboard key. Okay, and now we list the files under the in here directory. I think the dot in the front of any file name means this file or directory is hidden. But to get the content of such a file is the same. We just use the cat and the dot and use the tab. Alright, we get the password for the next level and make a copy. And so far all tasks are very, very easy, right? And now we can jump to the level 4 and paste the password. Alright, no problem. Now we can go to the next level. Yeah, the password for the next level is stored in the human readable file in here directory. I think now the thing or the task is getting more and more interesting, right? And now we can list files first and navigate into the in here by the command cd. And now list the files. Yeah, there are 10 files in total. Yeah, so of course we can use the file command to display. Yeah, we can use, because here has the dash. We can use the same technique. Just I show you in the first level. And 0. Yeah, we can use the file command to display the attribute or the type of the file. But the 10 files, if you do them one by one, it will consume a bit long time. I think the way we can do in a quicker way. I mean, the quicker way to do it is use the file and use the star. You know, the star means all files under the current working directory. Yeah, as you can see, we can know the 7th file is text file, and then we can use the cat to retrieve the content of this file. Yeah, we got the password. Also, we can use the find command and find in the current directory, and then we can tunnel to xarg, and then we can tunnel to the or run the execute command file. Yeah, we get the same result. Yeah, there's this one. So now, yeah, we can get, of course, if you're not familiar with this command, xarg, you can use the main command to get the help. Okay, and now we can quit from the current session. Now we can make a copy this one, the password, and then we can log in to the target as next level user. All right, no problem. Now we need to get the instruction for the next level. Yeah, this level, the password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory and has all of the following properties. Yeah, human, readable, and the size, and not executable. All right. So now I think of the first thing, we need to list the files under the home directory and then navigate to the in here directory. Yeah, there's so many subdirectories, and if we go to one of them, yeah, there's so many files. So I think we need to use or utilize the find command and under the current directory, and we can use the option, the size, right? The size, and don't forget to put the C at the end to exactly match the size of the file. And I think we just press enter, and we are interested in the file, right? And we can redirect all error to the black hole or null. Let's press enter. Yeah, we got the result. Yeah, this one. So now we can cut this file. All right. Yeah, we get the password for the next level. We can make a copy. Maybe I'd like to cut the video here, and I don't want the video to be long. Okay, so I'd like to see you in the next one. Okay, bye.